Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make iced, carbonated, spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea, peach mango. First thing you gotta do is put the ice cubes into this mug from this main bowl. Add the tea bag, spicy cherry, cocoa beans, and chili, and you pour in the hot water into this mug from this kettle. Then after that, you add in the sparkling water, peach mango from this can into this mug. Dip it in a couple of times, and there you go, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated, spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea, peach mango. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace, cheers, and have a good summer. Thank you.